One of the reasons that parrots make good pets is because they can imitate sounds. In the wild, they imitate the calls of other members of their flock, which allows them to communicate about important things such as food and the presence of danger. In homes, parrots can copy the sounds of a phone ringing, a vacuum cleaner humming, water running, the doorbell chiming and other sounds. Of course, they can imitate human speech, too. They do this because they think these sounds are made by their flock and, therefore, they have to learn them. Parrots are among the most intelligent birds. Indeed, parrots learn well. They can not only speak words but associate them with objects or situations. They can use tools and solve problems. The lifespan of a parrot varies from one species to the next. Small parrots usually live 15 to 20 years, medium-sized parrots 25 to 30 years and large parrots 60 to 100 years. The kakapo is the world's largest parrot. It can weigh up to 9 pounds and grow over 2 feet long. The kakapo, however, is a flightless bird. It cannot fly. In fact, it is the only flightless parrot in the world.